In my previous video, I was talking about the cell cycle and the phases of the cell cycle, which are the interphase and the mitotic phase. So now let me look at G0 and the control of the cell cycle. G0 is actually the term we use to describe a cell that can no longer divide. So when a cell leaves the cell cycle, either temporarily or permanently, we refer to that cell as being at G0. Conditions can arise to make a cell not to divide. That is number one, if a cell is differentiated to perform a particular function, that cell loses its ability to divide. Number two is that if the DNA of the cell is damaged to the point where it is no longer viable, it cannot divide. Then the control of the cell cycle. Just like a car, there is a control to your speed. You have your brake pedal to push, okay? So what happens if you're driving and you try to apply the brake and the brake fails? Your car stops. The same thing is applicable to the human body, but this time around it leads to cancer, it leads to tumor. So there is a control that monitors to make sure that the cell reaches a particular size before it starts to divide and all the DNA is being copied, replicated before it starts to go to the next phase.